What's going on, everyone? This is Justin with Austin Homes for Sale, your favorite realtor in the Austin area. Today, we're taking a look at one of Austin's most historic homes, the Sallie Johnson house. This home is not only a beautiful piece of real estate, it also has an incredible story dating back to the early 1900s. Stick around to find out why this home is so special and what makes it an awesome opportunity for buyers like you. This home was built in 1925 and was originally owned by Sallie Johnson, a freed enslaved woman who overcame incredible challenges throughout her life. She became one of the first previously enslaved female property owners in Austin. Can you imagine the history these walls have seen? In 1937, she participated in interviews with the Federal Writers Project, where she shared detailed accounts of her life under slavery, including memories of her father hauling limestone for the Texas Capitol and the day her family gained freedom. Her legacy is preserved through the Sallie Johnson House, now a historic landmark in Austin's Rosewood neighborhood. Let's talk about what makes this home so unique beyond its history. You'll notice the charming 1920s bungalow-style architecture, original hardwood floors, and vintage detailing that's been beautifully preserved. The living room shelves are made with the shiplap wood from the original interior walls. Recent renovations have thoughtfully updated the space, blending modern amenities while keeping its original charm intact. Imagine living in a home that not only offers character, but also connects you to Austin's deep history. So what does this mean for buyers like you? Well, if you're looking for a home with historic charm, a prime location, and a story unlike any other, this is it. Historic homes like this tend to appreciate in value, especially in Austin's fast-growing market. Plus, owning a home can come with potential tax benefits, saving you thousands, so it's worth exploring if you're considering investing in a piece of history. If you're thinking about buying a home in Austin and love the idea of owning a historic property, let's talk. I'd love to help you find the perfect home that fits your style and needs. Make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Would you live in a historic home like this? Let me know. I'll see you in the next one.